Hi, in this video let me show you how to reset your Canon MegaTank G4280 to the factory settings. Press the home button and then we're going to press the settings button. Press printer settings. Then go down the list. The last option should be reset settings. Tap on this. And if you want to do a full factory reset, you're going to select reset all, the last option. If you simply want to reset the Wi-Fi because that's what you're having issues with, you're going to select LAN settings only. But in my case, I'll select reset all and then confirm by pressing the yes button. Usually it takes under a minute and the printer will be like a brand new one. You'll have to set it up again, connecting it to your Wi-Fi, to your devices, etc. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.